Subway Runners. Subway Surfers, yeah. Subway Runners. This game should have been called Subway Runners. I did not mean to kill myself. I'm evading the law. I haven't paid my taxes. I have paid my taxes. Also, I am a child, so no, I do not have to pay taxes. I'm a child running for the police. I sell guns, which is very illegal. Oh, yeah, I sell guns. And I should have gone edgy. And that was really... Oh god, I hate this game. Oh, content. Wow. Like... Oh, fuck. I'm a great YouTuber. That's why you should... YouTube channel. My phone's breaking. Yeah, it's broken. Well, pause.